This is Huawei's 5G Park, where we demonstrate the latest 5G technologies to our customers when they visit us here in HQ in Shenzhen. But what is 5G? So simply you could look at it like this. 2G gave us the ability to send SMS messages to each other. 3G let us send photographs. 4G let you watch high-definition movies on your mobile phone. So what is the one single use that 5G is going to have? Actually, there are going to be many different uses for 5G, some of which we haven't even thought about yet. For you as a consumer, you're going to be able to look at AR and VR videos in ways that you could never possibly imagine before. More importantly, you're going to be able to do the very high-octane cloud gaming. This means you can play games on your mobile or on your TV without needing a games console. In industry, mining is already using 5G networks to remote control the mining equipment, vastly improving health and safety by putting the operators safe and secure in an office. And in medicine, hospitals are using 5G networks to control robots taking blood samples around. Also, surgeons are using 5G networks to do remote diagnostics in rural clinics, bringing their expertise to the remote rural areas. So how do we get there? How do we get to this 5G world? Actually, there are four major components to 5G. The first one is your handset, your mobile phone. Yes, you are going to need a new mobile phone in order to take advantages of all of these 5G services. Number two, what we call the radio access network. This is the network of antennas that sits on top of buildings. We need new massive MIMO antennas to provide all of that additional bandwidth and low latency in 5G applications. Thirdly, what we call the transport layer. This is the fiber in the ground. Don't worry, your roads won't be disrupted. We don't have to dig up the fiber again, but we do have to upgrade the signals that travel along it. Finally, there's what we call the core of the network. The core of the network is the data. It's the websites, it's the streamed video, it's the emails that you send. The core of the network is going to be transformed digitally. It will be turned into a series of data centers right from the edge to give you the very high speeds that you require all the way to the center of the network. This is a major job for telcos, the cloudification of the core network.